Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to edit post privacy on Facebook, updated with everything you need to know to stay in control of what you share and who sees it. Whether you want to make a post visible only to close friends or share something with the world, this quick guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account where the post was originally made. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. This takes you straight to your personal timeline where all your posts are displayed. Now, scroll through your timeline until you find the post you want to update. Maybe it's an old photo, a thought you shared, or a status that could use a privacy change. No matter what it is, the steps are the same. When you found that post, look toward the top right corner of it. You'll see three small dots, often called the More Options icon. Tap those dots. From the menu that appears, look for and select Edit Privacy. This is where you decide who can see your post. You'll notice several audience options: public, friends, friends accept, specific friends, or only me. Each option gives you a different level of control. Public means anyone on or off Facebook can see it. Friends limits it to your Facebook friends. Only me keeps it fully private just for you. Choose the option that best fits your comfort level. Once you've made your choice, tap Save. Your settings will update instantly, and that post privacy will now reflect your new preference. And that's it. You've successfully updated your post privacy on Facebook. Taking a moment to manage your privacy settings ensures you're always sharing on your own terms. Remember, what you share is your choice, and knowing how to fine-tune it gives you full control of your digital space.